So hello guys, mga repang mga ma'am show. Today is my birthday at the same time celebration din ng birthday ng asawa ko. So yan yung pupuntahan natin. This is my surprise to my kids here in Nauticus. Tagal namin gusto makita yan eh. So dito sa Nauticus yan, ayan Nauticus. So wala talaga siyang parkingan dito. So talagang pupunta talaga tayo doon sa parking site. Are you excited guys? The weather is fine. Hindi siya ganun kalamig. May araw. So, yan. Bawal pala walk-in dito, Han. Sinerch ko, buti na lang. So, you should purchase your ticket through online. It's a museum, Jade and Johan. Okay, now, sinat ko na sa garage parking yan. Kasi, may plan A, plan B lagi. Sa garage parking na yan, ang laki, no? Matuwa. Sige yan, punta tayo sa garage parking. Let's go! Alright, we're here in the parking lot. Alright, so... Siyempre, wala naman itong elevator. Ayan, todo pang lamig ang Team Lumerial. $3 lang to. For 2 hours. Pero, kung alimbawang... phone data room. Pero ano naman yun, ano pa dito? Flexible. Pag sumobra ka, charge ka lang. Pag 3 hours, $5, ganun. Oh, it's so cold. Ang ganda na nakuha natin parking nga kasi nakaharap ng taga siya mismo dito. There's some moon. Come on, let's go. Let's go. It's a go. Ayan yung mga repay, Nauticus. So this is a part of our trip here in Norfolk. We're here in Norfolk, Virginia. This is one of our trip here. One of many. Okay? So ready na mga kids. Tingnan natin kung saan ng entrance ito. Yeah, here in Nauticus. Huh? You need to pee? Yeah, we're gonna go there. Let's go inside. We're gonna go inside here. Come on. Maybe this is the way here. Naval Museum, Hampton Roads. Are you excited, guys? Yay! Happy birthday to Mommy and Daddy! Oh, yan na. Hangin yan na. Lamig. Winter na, no? Winter na talaga. I'm gonna go here. Here, let's go. So we are here, no? You are here, okay? Information desk, gift shop. Second floor is the... okay. It's a Battleship Wisconsin. The name of the battleship, the name of this one is USS Wisconsin. It's on the second floor. Alright, so we're gonna go there, alright? And then, Heart of Navy, Aquaticus, Aquarium, Norfolk and Times.
All of them!
Yeah, of course, absolutely. Are you ready? Are you ready for our adventure today? Alright, let's go. See, that's a battleship.
Daddy?
Of course, yeah, we're gonna wait for your mom. So this is the way the battleship Wisconsin. Here, let's go, come on. This is the train exhibit. We're gonna go here later, right?
Ooh, the movie.
And this is the USS Wisconsin, Han. So just only trivia, Han, okay? USS Wisconsin is a naval battleship destroyer which was built 1941 during World War II, and its class is an Iowa class battleship. Wow, see? That's the USS Wisconsin. See? BB-64. Nice. Amazing. It is one of the biggest battleship now created. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go to the... Oh, this one. Oh, their histories are here. Oh, see? Okay, you can read. Go. You can read the history, guys. Yeah, this is the one. Open the gates. Alright, there you go. Oh, it's so big, right? Oh, wow. So amazing. Yes, it's so big, huh? Grabe. Yeah, it's so big. Huh? It's not moving at all. Nice. What an entrance. What an entrance. Ang ganda siguro sa gabihan. Ito yung nagpakuha yung babae sa gabi. Nice, no? Guys, are you excited to board the water ship? Ah, yeah. Later, maybe later. Pasok mo tayo. Sige, paano mo? Ay, grabe oh. That's the destroyer oh. Grabe yung laki oh. Kumagano pa kaya yan? I think it's still working on. Kasi tingnan mo, umiikot pa siya oh. Very historical to ano. Oh, there's a small one. Oh, there's a small jet there. Let's see. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see. Come on. This is so way inside. Oh, we're on the ano. Para tayo nakaduck sa ano. Oh, maganda. Ito nga yung sa babae, di ba? Maganda niya, di ba? Mapasa tayo dito na up close and personal tayo sa destroyer na to. Naval base. Naval ship. Nice. Oh, look at this, John. Oh, see. Those are the canyon. You know, there's a big cannonballs firing out from that one. Uy, that's, you know what's that? That's cadena. No, it's very heavy. Oh wow. USS Wisconsin was created and built 1941, World War II. Ang tagal na nun. And now, ano? Hahawakan ko itong tatlong ano na to, destroyer canyon na to, cannon. See? We are now on board this 1941, one of the largest naval vessel in the history of USA. This is USS Wisconsin. Wow, Johan, you're touching the actual.
You know how many years is that already, Johan?
Since 1941. How many years now? 60, 80 years already.
Oh.
And before it's like, you know, it's on the ocean before. It's traveling in the ocean for a long, long time.
It's probably on the ocean and it comes to Japan.
Yes, that's right. Yes, because World War II happens in Japan. You are right. It travels to Japan.
How about now?
No, it's here.
Yeah,
for us.
we're free now.
Japan have different ship too. Let's go there. Let's go there at mag-Titanic si Mami at Daddy. Are you enjoying, guys? Ang maganda dito, may mga Christmas lights. Do not step on the lights, okay? Guys, do not step on the lights. Yeah, don't step on the lights because this one, tonight it's gonna be awesome here. It's gonna be cool here. At doon tayo, mag-Titanic tayo dito, Han. Hanin ko. Itong ano na to, itong trip na to, Han. Tagal natin itong pinlano for our birthday, di ba? So, here we are na sa one of our tawag dito, itinerary dito sa Norfolk, no? Maganda dito sa Norfolk, napansin ko lang tahimik. Maybe because it's Saturday, pero yung city nila wala talagang sasakyan. Tsaka kasi malapit to sa tubig. There's a lot of naval ships yung makikita nyo. Hindi ko alam kung naval ship yun, maybe passenger ship from nearby. Ito, lupit to. Ay, be careful there, nak, ha? Maybe you fall ano.
How big is this?
Oh, wow, this is nice here. Yeah, you know.
But look at the good.
Ano ba English ng kadena, ha? Nakalimutan ko na.
Daddy.
Ay, it's a chain. Chain? I don't know, it's a chain. What do you call this one?
Daddy, it's cold over here.
Yeah, it's heavy. It's very heavy. You know what? I'm gonna take a picture of you here, okay? Ang ganda dito, mga repa, mga moms. Lalo pag gabi kasi tayong ilaw dito. Ito na tayo sa pinakadulo. Habang walang tao, sige, picture muna kayo dyan.
Johan, go there.
Go there, sa ano? In the front. You are already at the very tip. You are at the very tip of this warship.
First flag of the USA.
Naval ship. Siguro naval ship na natawagin.
Go there, the other side.
Ito maganda mga repo. Itong tip nito, harap ng barko. Doon sa harapan kami naka-park. Doon lang kami. Tapos dyan lang kami naka-park talaga. Okay, go. Go na. Pipicture na ni Mami. Ang ganda paglakad dito. Maraming pupuntahan pala dito. Dapat pala mas maaga pa. Nice. I like that. Like a soldier. This is made of parang wood din. Parang napaka-tough wood niya. Let's go to the left side of the ship.
No, this is the right side.
Yeah, when we are facing, this is the right side. This is the left side, right? Okay, you are right, correct. Ganda, oh. Ganda pang thumbnail, oh. Ayos. That's nice. Ganda ng ship na to, ah. Ang maganda talaga dito sa gabi, promise. Look at that. You know, at night, there will be a lot of lights in here. Yeah, very good. Ay, ito yung yung mabilis maglabas ng parang kalambo sa machine gun. Yung baril na yan, Ito, yung mabilis eh. Nico, imagine, Han. During those times, Han.
The restaurant.
Oh, there's a restaurant here. Ay, Mommy, there's a cafeteria here,
Guys,
Yeah, we can go inside later. Let's go.
I'm so hungry.
It's not working. There's no people there.
Yes.
Han, imagine, Han, during those World War II, Han, may mga soldier dito. They are fighting. They are,
Okay, go upstairs.
they are fighting for freedom. Meron pa dito. Oh, Han, Oh, there's a separate boat here. Look.
Oh, ayan yung mga
See?
Pagka, yung mga sinakyan nila Titanic.
Oh. Look, Johan, Jayden, there's some more here. Look at this, separate boat.
I want
Yes.
to go up here. Let's check.
Of course, we will check there. Oh, there's a bird too. Look.
What? Daddy, I want to go up, Daddy.
Of course, we will go up one by one. Everywhere we can go, okay?
Huh? What?
Not there. Grabe, Na-maintain talaga nila ito, Nililinis nila talaga. Walang kalawang. Oh, I told you. Ayan.
Go up, Daddy.
Can we go there first? Then we'll come back again. Oh, there's also a playground.
Where, Daddy? There's a tree.
This, how many soldiers have embarked here in this ship? Grabe. Let's go up na because it's only may bar pala dito, may bar. There's a bar. Let's go upstairs there. Come on.
Where's the playground?
No, this one, I thought this is a playground.
Exit yun, exit.
Exit to? Doon tayo. Sa Ay, this one, missile. I will show you the missile. Look. Live kaya ito, Bakit di mo siguro live to, no? Okay, So, see, Oh, look at the missile. You can touch the missile, Oh, not too much, Is it alive? Uy, parang baka alive pa yan. Don't touch too much. Maybe this alive.
What?
Kasi sabi ko mga repa, mula doon, may mga ibang barko. Ito na yung dulo. This is the end of the ship. So now we will go there. Ito na yung ito yung back of the ship, Han. Ito yung back of the ship. Yeah, we will go up there. We'll go up. I think to go up, we will go back there. Okay, come on, let's go back there. Kasi ba ito below deck. Ito pala below deck, Ito below deck. We're gonna experience below deck. We're gonna go inside. Let's go. Nilagyan na ka na ilaw. Ito. See, Oh, experience below deck. Go. Let's get it. We're gonna try what. It's not gonna close. Go. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow, sige, pasok kayo. Go.
Scary.
No, okay, Mommy will go go down first.
Scared? Go down.
Grabe, ma. Yeah, let's see. Go. Habang wala pa tao.
Careful.
Makakapasok ka pa talaga, Be careful, Just hold the side rails. Mataas pala yung hagdan na to, Mami, alalay mo si Johan, Johan. Mami, just look for Johan. It's so high.
It's a restaurant.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna eat here.
No food here. Halika.
Let's go back.
No, not yet. We're gonna tour. Oh, wow. That's not real. May pagkain pala dito. Oh, ganito siya sa loob. Oh, grabe. There's someone talking inside. Oh, wow. Nice.
We are going to provide clean
Wow.
that meant
Ito pala sa loob nito, kainan nila,
we're going to spring out in a line across the Atlantic Ocean, so that if anything happened to Eisenhower's plane, there would be a ship
Nice.
within striking distance.
Maingay nga lang dito, mga repa. Puro kainan siya. Be careful, you should take care of this boat. Oh, mayroon din mga soft drinks dito, ano. I wonder kung may laman to, ha? May soft drinks. Mga lumang cook na, no? Matagal na pala yung Dr. Pepper. Ito mga milk. Milk. Yung mga baso pa, oh. Ito, repo, pinakainan pa to ni, ano, oh. General MacArthur. Baso ni General MacArthur, oh. Grabe. Alam nyo mga repa, feeling ko dito, sobrang ano, nakakamangha. Kasi, ito, mayroon pang ano, ito mo, mayroon pang makinilya, oh. Ay, grabe, nostalgic to, Han. Kasi, imagine yung mga sundali noon, nandirito. Dito sila kumakain. Let's go up na here, oh. Let's go outside. Ah, dito lang tayo nang galing, di ba? Paikot lang siya. Oh, mac and cheese. Nice. Mac and cheese, corn, mashed potato. Okay, oh, meron pang ano ba tawag dyan? Chop suey. And chicken tenders, grill. Nice. Amazing experience. Sobrang ganda. Ayos to experience na to. Oh, donuts! Donuts! There's a donut there, see? Look at donuts! Glazed donuts! See? Oh, you read that one. You read that one. Those are trays. All right. Second deck, 11:48 pa lang, so we got a lot of time. All right, second deck na tayo. Meron ba dyan? Let's see. And the top, maybe the ano.
ito. Ano ba yan?
Oh, there's no Christmas tree. Come on. Radio. It's a big ship, right? Nothing in here. Okay, let's go to that exit. There's another exit there. Oh, see? Yeah. Look at this gas mask, oh, during World War II. Yeah. Yeah, it's at exit. Yeah, go ahead. And this way out. Ang dami mga kable, oh. Gumagana pa yan. Oh, there we go. Merry Christmas. So, nakakaligaw, no? Go. This way out. There you go. This is the way out. Here. There, maybe there. There, the way out. See? There. Wala pa nalang kainan, no? Parang sa bagay, pagod sila eh. Ah, ito yung inakyatan, no? Let's go. This is the way out. Hi. And this is the one, no? Officers Qualified Service Warriors. Let's go.
Wait, Daddy.
Yeah, that's the camera. Alright, guys. Come on. Go. Jump to the sky and go. Look at this. A show last December 26, 1990.
So this would also bring gunpowder down. So they would put 3 bags of powder would come in this tube here, right? So these weigh 110 pounds each. It takes 6 of these to fire each shot on the
Ah, really? It's
6 bags.
So it's like a gunpowder?
So it's like a gunpowder. So these are bags of gunpowder. They're actually like pellets. And this weighs 110 pounds. And again, 3 would go
3 would come
canister.
inside the canister.
Yep. And this so would come on this pulley out from outside the door. They would
Okay.
bring it in here and bring it all the way down to the bottom.
Oh,
and then they
right.
would move it to the flats. So that goes all the way down.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, pretty neat, right? And the coolest thing about this, I think, is it shows you how this first deck, so right under the screen here, there's this little metal right under the deck, that's 1 inch. So our whole first deck, under all that teak out there, is just 1 inch. The second deck, see where that big hatch is there?
Yeah.
That's a 6-inch steel deck. So our second deck, from just in front of turret 1 to just after turret 3, is 6 inches. So that's really considered the armored protection of the ship. So the second deck, from turret to turret and side to side, in there, that's where everything vital is.
Well, cool.
So the hospital, the gunpowder, the plotting room, everything vital to the ship is inside that area. Yeah, so second deck and down.
Oh, isn't it amazing, Johan, Jaden, how it works? Isn't it amazing how it works?
I never want to fall down.
No, you never want to fall down there for sure. Yeah, definitely don't want to fall down there. Yeah.
Alright, wow, interesting.
It's an enjoyable. I kind of like showing people that.
Yeah.
That's why there are a lot of coins.
Yeah, people throw them down for good.
Thanks for showing us.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Isn't it amazing? It's cool, right?
Interesting.
And then yeah, one more quick thing. Just while
Okay.
you're here, like I took. So this right here, you guys are on Navy, right?
No.
You don't know what this is, right?
No,
So
what's
this tells
that?
us where we are on the ship. This is like our address. So we are on the first deck.
Okay.
As you go down, it goes down deck 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
As you go up, it goes up 0, 1,
Second,
0, 2, 0, 3. So first deck, 77 is the frame. So from the front of the back of the ship, every 4 feet is a frame.
Okay.
So we're frame 77 towards the front of the ship. This whole space is 77 to 87. 2 tells us where we are port to starboard in relation to the keel. So port is the left side of the ship, so even numbers are left. So we're 1 space away from the center. As we go outside of that, this goes up. And then L just tells us we're in a living space. So this tells you all you need to know, either to get there or if there's an emergency, you know how to deal
So
with it.
all Navy know this thing, right?
Yes, exactly.
Oh,
Exactly. It's like
maybe
a code,
one
right?
of them, or, you know, will
But-
be a
but it's
Navy
the first
someday.
thing- it's the first thing you learn when you're in boot camp.
Okay, all right.
You know, 'cause you have to get it.
Ah, cool, cool. Thanks for that info, sir. All right.
Why
Isn't it amazing?
why is it stuck?
Yeah, because they want to keep it open. Okay, this is the exit. This is the way exit. Okay. All right. That's a cool trivia, no? Pero mo, no, bingat pala ng powder, no?
Susie, Kate, she's
Hey, sir.
she's right now. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, Johan, Jaden. Nandito na ako sa inyo. Nakakalito pala. Sulit pala dito eh. Ay, nga pala pricing. Baka makalimutan ko, no? 17 point something sa adult hand. Tapos sa bata hand is $13 hand.
That's fine.
Honey, ganun ang pricing niya.
Pwede na.
Pagka military ka, you have a discount. Pero pagka maganda ka, wala kang discount. Let's go up. And wala pang presyo, malalaman natin. So this is the farthest that we can get here. Ayan na, yan na yan. Sinara nila kasi yung padaan sa taas. Siguro bawal na doon. But this is a mighty Navy vessel. It's all metal. Grabe. Ang sarap at saka saya mag-trip dito. Sulit ang trip talaga dito, han. Dito pa lang. Ito nga lang, tingnan mo, seating ganito.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Ganda, no? Ganda.
Pero may mas malaki pa dito, han, kasi may mga jet carrier pa, di ba? Naka-open lang yung lights nila, no? So means to say, it's easier here. This is the
It's near here.
left side of the vessel. See, before the soldiers are here. They're staying here before. See? Let's go. Be careful, ha? Ano mauna ka?
There's a sticky egg.
Well, let's go down. Be careful, okay?
Ozzy
Guys, did you enjoy the trip here in the Navy ship here in USS Wisconsin? Johan, Jaden, did you enjoy? Okay, babalik na tayo doon sa loob. Tingnan natin museum daw. May isang museum pa tayo na miss. Alright, let's see, no? Hi, honey. We're going out. Okay. Let's go. Alright, let's go to the museum. Ang ganda dito, mayroon pa talagang remembrance, sakto birthday ko. Mayroon ka pang remembrance. Digital, $35 to. Okay lang. Remembrance naman. Way up. Is this the one? Oh yeah, this is the Naval Museum now, no? Alright, let's go. Alright, let's see what we have here. Oh, look at the nurse there. Hi. Do we need to log in there? Just go straight. Alright, okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Johan. Explore. Look at that nurse there. See?
No, stand up there, anak.
That's exit only, guys. Here. We enter here.
Stand up there. Hey.
Nice. Most signal-lost in Empire. Ito, this is the Naval Museum naman. That's nice. Interesting. Okay, it's like a history. Oh, nice. Ito, museum nila, mga repa, mga sinaunang mga gamit. Ito, mga 1800s pa to. Look at this. They're so old. Maskin man pala talaga, may wire na talagahan, no? No? Oh, ito ano? May kanyon dito. This is nice, right? If you, the flag. Kaya pala may ganong flag. This is an old flag, han. Alright, I see. Okay. During 1800s, this is the flag of the United States. But now it's different because there's a lot of states now. Before there are fewer states. Oh, look at this flag. Look at this flag, see?
Oh.
Ano? Flag from the Confederate Gunboat CSS Hampton. That's CSS Hampton. That's a flag from CSS Hampton. That's a long time ago. The Spires of Richmond. Matagal na to, siguro. 1862. Oh, grabe.
Oh, look the clock.
Backdoor to Richmond. Oh, backdoor to Richmond, ano? Matagal na nga, 1862 yan. Grabe tagal. CSS Florida. Look at this. SEAL uniform. That's a SEAL uniform. Vietcong uniform. Vietnam to. Sa Vietnam ito. Totoo yan, ano? Oh, mga pistol, mga teka-teka. Grabe mga ano to. What's that? What's that? That's interactive map. Oh, you can see there. Ano? Ano yan? Ang Vietcong ano yan? Uniform. Mga matagal na ano yung jacket. Matagal, mahal yan pagka binenta. Talagang ano yan, antigo na yan. We're almost there na kami na, guys. We're almost out. It's from this museum. Those people. May top code pala sila, no? Han, they're doing top code. Because they cannot communicate, so they're doing top code, Han. Communication was essential to survive years of captivity because they are held captive. So they're doing top code. Galing, I think this is the 3rd floor, mga repa. I think there's a place here where you will definitely like. Oh, see, there's aquarium. Let's do the aquarium.
Maybe this is the one.
What's that? Wow. Jaden will love this. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Here, go here. John. John, go there, John. This is fun. Like playground. See, Jaden. There, look at them. Go up there. No, here. Go up there. Go up here. Go up. Okay, what?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy. Okay pala dito, ano? Virginia, Aquaticus.
Spending your birthday in the museum.
In the museum, yeah. Historical battleship kanina. At saka ang ganda trip natin na to. Kasi sakto pala, mamayang gabi, meron ditong event parade, grand illumination. So, dahil tanghali pa lang, punta man tayo sa Virginia Beach, syempre. Ano ba, magmamax tayo o Jollibee?
I think Jollibee muna.
Jollibee
kasi
muna.
the kids are expecting for Jollibee.
Tapos dinner lang tayo mamaya siguro. No?
Sa Max na lang tayo mag-dinner. But we should go back here right after we eat lunch kasi para hindi tayo abutan ng traffic kasi hindi pa rin.
Right after we eat lunch? Hindi, maga pa yun.
Maga pa yun.
Ito yung after eat lunch, check-in muna tayo sa hotel. Ayan, so ayan, nag-check-in din kami.
Hey, one more! One more then we'll go
Yeah.
We will eat
So,
na.
maganda dito may maliit na playground. So, pwede tayong pahinga. Bigla ako nagutom.
Ako din.
Ano?
Lalo
Kasi-
na ako, hindi ako nag-almusal.
Ako rin. Ay, hindi. Nag-almusal ako. Nakatatlong donuts ako. Pero, ganda tong ano na to. Arang treat
Ay,
natin.
nag-enjoy sila.
Treat natin sa birthday natin. Kasi birthday din niya last week. So, ako naman today. So, sakto to dahil pares kaming off. Dahil madalas sa opposite kami ng ano, di ba, schedule. So, talagang ino namin to pinlangan na tumatagal na. So, ayan, ang tawag dito, materialize naman yung plan. Ang ganda, di ba? So, we are enjoying here sa Nauticus. Ang ganda. Mura. $17, di ba? Parang sa adult yun. Hindi, 17 each. Tapos sa bata, 13. So, ang dami. Actually, 3 floors to, no? Ang dami pa nilang pupuntahan. But dahil nga limited yung ating time allotted for each activity. So, kailangan na nilang kumain. Gugutom na sila eh. So, at saka maganda itong lugar na to, it is 15 minutes away sa Jollibee lang. So, yan na. Napakaganda rin ng weather. Nag-enjoy ako. Lalo sa Battleship. Gusto ko yun. Napaka-nostalgic yung feeling na yun. Kasi, you know, thousands of soldiers have been there, have embarked that ship. And to think, nagamit yun sa World War II. At buong-buo pa siya at well-maintained. At saka syempre, thank you for the Veterans Day lang, no? Thank you for the service of all the soldiers who help protect and preserve the freedom of the United States of America. Thank you for your service. God bless you all. Heart of the Navy presented by Perry Family Foundation. So ayan, si Paolo, dapat magpunta dito si Paolo. Total, gusto niya mag-military, Navy, di ba? US Armed Forces. Our port, meron pa, marami pa pala, no? Nice, no? Okay, nakapunta na yata sila dito. Where is this nice place? Okay, ito nga natin mabilis to. Our port. Oh, okay, no? Port na siya. Nice. This is a port, Alright, makikita mo yung sino, no? Yung dagat doon sa labas. Beautiful, nice. Uy, meron siya. Merong cinema. Nice. Ano natin to? Nice, so you can do everything. See, John, no? Diyan, no? You can move this one. Look. And the port. See the port you can see here. Come on, Johan. On, let's go. So nice here. Where's Jaden? Come on, guys. Come on. Come on.
The movie started.
Yeah, almost, but we will see this one first. See, the port. Look at this. Wow. Great view, right?
The movie started.
Yeah, we're gonna go there. Oh, wow, the port. See? It's nice. You can see also the Navy. Oh, come on. Let's see the movie. Let's see the movie. May movie daw.
It's almost 32 seconds.
Okay, go. Careful. Ito palahan, meron pala dito. Our nautical neighborhood is a small aquarium. Let's see. It says here, no fishing. Oh, look at this.
Jellyfish!
Where? So jellyfish?
Jellyfish!
Where? Ayan, they're so cute.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
A so big jellyfish! Where's it?
Nakakaano sa mata. How about this one? Oh, look at the fish. Look at the fish.
Oh! Look at these.
Oh, what's that? See,
Take a picture, please. Stand up there.
No, let's scary. That's scary.
Tara na, ano? Tara?
Okay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Marami pa yun sa loob, kaso nga lang, mga ano na yun,
Hindi naman ata pumasok dito eh.
Ha, libre naman.
Dito, we can go back.
Yeah.
We can still go back.
Alright, this is the way go exit. Napakatahimik dito. May mga tao ba dito? Yeah. Mga tao. Saan ba tayo park? Ay, dito tayo park.
Look how haunted it is.
Let's go.
May nilabasan tayong building love eh.
Dito. Ito. What?
They got can I type this? They got
Yeah, sure.
Can I type?
They're preparing na for the parade later, ha, no? Han, mami, gusto kong picture dito sa mga building na to. Parang napakaganda. Dito. Oh, kasi 30 seconds naman yan. Let's go. No, they're preparing for the parade tonight, Han.